Polycystic ovary syndrome is one of the most common ailments that affect a woman's well-being, accounting for more than 12% of infertility cases per year. Women with PCOS produce more male hormones in their bloodstream, which leads to hormonal imbalance and causes irregular menstruation cycles and other health issues. However, with the advancement in medical sciences, medications and treatment options are available now to combat this hormonal ailment. Curious to know what we are talking about? Keep watching the video till the end then, as we share with you all the available treatment options available for treating PCOS. But before we hop into the video, please do subscribe to our channel. We produce new videos every week. What is PCOS? PCOS is a hormonal disorder that causes enlarged ovaries with small cysts on the outer edges. PCOS generally affects women in their childbearing years and causes the following symptoms in them. Number 1. Formation of cysts in the ovaries. Number 2. Regulation of high levels of male hormones in the bloodstream. Number 3. Irregular menstrual cycle. The ovaries release eggs each month through a process known as ovulation. This process is controlled by two hormones, FSH and LH, which are produced in the pituitary gland. When a woman gets affected by PCOS, the ovaries and the process of ovulation get affected. Small fluid-like sacs grow inside the ovaries, where each sac contains an immature egg. But these eggs never mature to trigger the ovulation process. Lack of ovulation decreases the level of estrogen, progesterone, and other female hormones in the body, and androgen levels become higher than usual. Causes and symptoms of PCOS. The exact causes of PCOS are unknown, but some factors generally cause this hormonal disorder. Number 1. Women having a family history of PCOS is likely at a higher risk of suffering from this hormonal disorder than others. In this case, genes play a contributing factor. Number 2. Insulin resistance is another factor that causes PCOS. It has been observed that when cells of a body cannot use insulin properly, the demand for insulin in the body increases. The pancreas then starts producing excess insulin to compensate, and that extra insulin triggers production of excess male hormones in the bloodstream. Number 3. Obesity and inflammation are the other two factors that likely increase the risk of PCOS. Without proper treatment, the condition of PCOS deteriorates over time. Therefore, for early diagnosis, look out for these symptoms. Number 1. Irregular menstrual cycle or heavy bleeding. Number 2. Excess hair growth and acne. Number 3. Weight gain and darkening of the skin. Number 4. Headaches and male pattern baldness. Treatment available for PCOS. Number 1. Lifestyle changes. Treatment for PCOS starts by tweaking some minute changes in the daily lifestyle. It has been observed following some healthy lifestyle habits have helped in improving PCOS symptoms by 17%. Reduce sugars and carbohydrates from your daily diet. The ideal diet for women suffering from PCOS consists of a balanced diet that comprises healthy carbohydrates like vegetables and fruits, high fiber grains, fish, and lean meats. Diet should consist of foods that are low in sugar and fat and have a low glycemic index. Manage your weight. Try to maintain a healthy weight, as it has been observed that dropping the weight even by 5 to 10% has shown marked improvement in the symptoms of PCOS. Try incorporating exercise into your daily routine. Exercise combats obesity and also helps in building muscle mass, which decreases insulin resistance. Number 2. Medications. Combination of birth control pills. Oral contraceptives which contain estrogen and progestin helps in managing the symptoms and normalizes the menstrual cycles. These medications help in controlling hair growth and other dermal problems and reduce the levels of male hormones in the bloodstream too. Medicines for insulin sensitization. Like as mentioned before, insulin resistance is one of the causative factors for PCOS. Therefore, medications are prescribed to boost insulin sensitization. The two medications that are particularly prescribed and are FDA approved are metformin and pioglitazone. Fertility treatments. PCOS affects a woman's capacity to conceive a child. Therefore, the treatments that are generally taken for a successful pregnancy are consumption of the medication clomiphene and in vitro fertilization. 6 months of this drug clomiphene helps in inducing ovulation, and the success rate of this medication is around 45%. If clomiphene has been used but no desired result has been produced, then gonadotropins are prescribed to the affected. Medications are also provided to control hair growth and different dermal problems associated with this period. PCOS can cause sleep apnea, endometrial cancer, depression, and metabolic syndromes if left untreated. Upon observing any of the symptoms associated with PCOS, medical providers should be contacted immediately for further guidance, medications, and treatments. Hopefully this video was able to solve some of your queries regarding the treatments available for PCOS. Now that we have reached the end of the video, if you found this video helpful, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down below. We promise to keep coming up with such informative videos in the future as well.